Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to connect our app to Postgres database. This is a simple demo project that will guide you through the process step by step. First, let's take a look at the dependencies we will need for this project: Spring Boot started data JPA, and then Spring Boot started web. Um, this dependency is optionally FlyWayDB and also FlyWayDB. This is the most important dependency is PostgreSQL. Make sure to add these dependencies to your POM XML or build Gradle file. Let's create an entity. Define an entity class with the following properties: ID and first name. Note that the first name column is a special case. We need to configure our application properties to avoid the default naming convention applied by Hibernate, which converts the column to underscore format. It means first underscore name. Let's see. In your application properties, add the necessary configuration to prevent Hibernate from converting column names to underscore. I did this configuration. Let's create a repository. This repository layer will be implemented as an interface, and that extends from Spring Data JPI repository. This will provide us with the basic root operation out of the box. Let's create a service, and the service layer is responsible for managing the business logic of our application. It will use the repository to perform databases operation. In this example, we just retrieve the list of all employees and creating the controller. Oops. Finally, let's create a controller. Our main endpoint will be employees / version 1. We'll implement a simple get request to retrieve a list of employees. The controller layer handles user requests and directs them to the appropriate service methods. And let's run this example. It looks fine. Um, sure. Oh, I will check this one in 1 minute. Okay, I wrote, but the URL. Oops. And it will retrieve a list of employees. And I hope this helps. This tutorial make you understand how connect your app to Postgres database using Spring Boot. Also, I use environmental variables in the application period properties.